Math Olympiad question. Question is this: 2x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 7x into square root of 2x plus 3. Then find the value of x. How to solve this type of equation? First of all, the 6x plus 9, if you consider 3 common, then convert to 2x plus 3. Therefore, the 2x square plus the 6x plus 9 means 3 consider common. Remaining part is a 2x plus 3 is equal to 7x into square root of 2x plus 3. First step I think clear. Now here 2x plus 3, here 2x plus 3 means assume let square root of 2x plus 3 is equal to some value m. Now put m value here. Now the notice 2x plus 3, if you take both the sides square means 2x plus 3 is equal to m square. Now put both the value in this equation. Therefore the 2x square plus this is a 2x 3 as it is into this m square is equal to this 7x into this m. Up to this I think clear. Now this term move to the side means 2x square as it is, this is minus 7x m plus 3 into m square is equal to 0. Now look at this 2 and here 3. 2 into 3 means 6. Find the factor of 6, then sum is minus 7, minus 6 and minus 1. Therefore 2x square, this is a minus xm plus, sorry, this is a minus 6xm, total minus 7xm plus this is a 3m square as it is equal to 0. Now in these two terms x common, remaining part is a 2x minus m. Here minus 3m common, remaining part is a 2x minus m is equal to 0. Now therefore 2x minus m common, remaining part is x minus 3m is equal to 0. Therefore 2 factor multiplication is 0 means either this factor is 0 or this factor is 0 means 2x minus m is equal to 0 or x minus 3m is equal to 0. Now 2x minus m is equal to 0, therefore 2x is equal to m and x minus 3m is equal to 0 means x is equal to 3m. Now recall this part, m already assumed 2x square root of 2x plus 3. M already assumed square root of 2x plus 3. Now put 2x plus 3, m is equal to 2x plus 3, square root of 2x plus 3 here and 2x plus 3 here. Now case 1, use this part, 2x is equal to m and m put this is square root of 2x plus 3. Therefore 2x is equal to square root of 2x plus 3. Now take both the sides square, means here take square and here also take square. Therefore this is a 4x square is equal to square root and square cancel out, only remaining 2x plus 3. Now therefore 4x square write as it is, this whole term move to this side means minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here direct factor not possible, then use discriminant formula. Here a value 4, b value minus 2 and c value minus 3. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put all this value in this formula. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4, a value 4, c value minus 3 upon 2 into a value 4. Up to this is then clear. Now simplify all this value. Now this x is equal to minus minus plus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square means 4 minus minus plus 4, 4 into 4 into 3 means 48 divided by this total 8. Therefore x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 48 means 52 divided by 8. Therefore x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 52 means 13 into 4 divided by 8. Now therefore x is equal to 2 plus or minus, this is 2 root 13 divided by 8. Now here 2 consider common, therefore remaining part is a 1 plus or minus root 13 and 2 divided by 8 means here remaining 4, means 2 solution possible using first case plus or minus square root of 13 upon 4. Now this is solution only first case, case 1 2x is equal to m. Now case 2 x is equal to 3m. Now case 2 m is x is equal to 3m. Therefore x is equal to 3, m value already assumed 2x plus 3, square root of 2x plus 3. Now take both the sides square. If you take square here, therefore x square means x right as it is, 3 square means 9, square root and square cancel out, remaining part is a 2x plus 3. Therefore x square is equal to 9 into 2 means 18, x plus 9 into 3 is 27. Now x square right as it is, 18x move to this side means minus 18x, 27 right as it is. Now therefore x square minus 18 means 2 into 9 into x. Now here if you require a minus b whole square formula, then here require 9 square, therefore this is equal to 27. Here add 9 square, then also add here 9 square. Now therefore this is now the a minus b whole square formula, this x minus 9 whole square is equal to 27 plus this is 81. Therefore this x minus 9 whole square is equal to this is 108. Now therefore if you take both the sides square root means x minus 9 is equal to plus or minus square root of 108, x is equal to this 9 move to this side means plus 9 plus or minus square root of 108 means 36 into 3. Therefore x is equal to 9 plus or minus the root 6 root 3 means again 2 solution possible, 9 plus 6 root 3 and 9 minus 6 root 3. Total 4 solution possible. 2 are this and another 2 is this.